Okay, here we are. I'll just pick the winners now because there wasn't quite enough money raised to be able to send both tables internationally. I'm going to pick one winner for the world and one winner for just from New Zealand. That way I don't actually have to fork out a bunch of cash. So, from generate number 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is Dustin Kelly from the United States. You have one of them. 7. Number 1. Okay. Number 1. Who is this? S. Thompson from New Zealand, Wellington. You are getting one of these as well. So that's it. Congratulations. I'll be in touch and you'll receive your new tables. See you everyone.